Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do a review of my key pouch. This key pouch I got from 2017, March 12, 2017. And I got this from the Louis Vuitton boutique here in Toronto. And the retail price at that time is $235 and now is $320 plus HST. Anyway, the reason I wanted to give you a review on this because I don't see any wear and tear from the time I bought this. It's called Damier Ebene print. I always use this as my card holder, and also I put my cash and also small items such as keys. Like I said, there is no wear and tear at the time, and until now it's very handy. It's very affordable price.
As you can see, my key pouch is still in good condition, even though it's been a while that I have it. And I still really like it. I always use it every single day. I put an insert on my case of wallet, and I like it so much that I always use it every single day. If you want, you can always add a key pouch to your collection, and you won't regret for buying it because it's very handy. Okay, I'm showing you my key pouch. This is a key pouch that I've been telling you. It has the Louis Vuitton symbol here on top. This is from 2017, so it's kind of a little bit of tarnish here. So Louis Vuitton shows here, and same as the back right here. I use this as a card holder. You see, I still have some cards inside here, and you won't regret because you will use this every single day. Okay, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. See you in my next video. Bye.